instead of...
Aiden, go look for your own eggs.
Look in different places, Aiden.
Don't follow everybody.
Aiden. Are you videotaping, baby?
Yes, sir.
Good boy.
Uh-huh. Keep looking. Aiden, come here. Come here.
Look.
There's some more. Don't open them, just... We'll put it in the basket.
Draven, you're not going to get that much if you worry about what you got instead of getting more. Aiden's actually doing better.
Draven, look. Draven.
Another whale.
Hey!
Draven, when you get them, don't open them.
Just put them in your basket. Or else you're not going to...
Keep looking, baby.
Keep looking.
Hey.
It's mine.
Come here.
Hey, quit fighting or nobody's going to get eggs.
Stop. Okay. You know what? If that happens again, you don't get to look for anymore. Go look up. Look.
Go look on the play thing.
Let's go back.
Okay, that's it. That's it. Hey, man, Logan.